What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over a print Ethereum. It has absolutely exploded back into the ascending triangle. So we're going to go over a couple of scenarios. We're sitting at 1, 2, 3, 5. We're up 13% on the day. Just going to quickly turn up my screen brightness. It's full blast. We're seeing a market cap of 148 billion, 24-hour volume, 19.01 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're looking at a potential 1, 2, 1, 2 of the wave 3. So here's your wave 1, here's your wave 2 pullback, and we've had a 1, 2, 1, 2 pullback, and it just absolutely exploded back to the upside. So the bullish scenario is that we're going through a 5-wave structure to complete this wave 3. So what you want to see here is that Ethereum comes up and breaks this high. Not only would it be breaking that wave 1, but it would be breaking out of the ascending triangle, which is a large bullish pattern that we've been watching here. So if we pop over to our next chart, look at the strength of the bulls, guys. Huge bearish fake out. We had the CPI data come out and the bulls pushed the price right back up, and we pushed right back up into this ascending triangle. So if we do see a nice push up to this level of resistance and we break out, do expect a massive breakout in my opinion for ETH. And of course, I'll give you your technical target. We'll take Ethereum all the way up here to this target of about 18. Let me move this up a little bit. 1880. Now the bearish scenario is that we simply roll over, or we come up, we hit resistance, we drop back down, we lose the support of the pattern. But as of right now, the bulls have pushed the price all the way back up into a bullish reversal pattern. So we'll see what happens over the next few days. Now we have been looking at this possible wave count for Ethereum, where this is actually your wave 3 and not your wave 5 low, and we're going through a wave 4 correction, which has already met its minimal targets. So it can see continuation to the downside at any time, and we're still looking for that wave 5 to take you down to about 500 to 600. So basically for Ethereum, if you come up and you break out of this ascending triangle, then the bullish case is much more likely and this wave count would remain valid. But if we fail to break this high and we get rejected, we lose this low, then it invalidates this entire wave count. And I think you'd be looking at a corrective wave 4. We lose these lows, we put in that final wave 5 down to that 500 to about $625 range. That's basically it for ETH. Big shout out to the Discord. You can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership for my spot trades, as well as for my leverage trades. And we have over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. It's $10 a month. You really can't beat it. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses. All links are in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.